Hello friends, subscribers and new visitors of this channel. We always need a professional website for our business, or we always wish to deliver a professional and full-featured website to our clients if it is a website development agency. Using WordPress, we can create any type of website professionally in no time. But once our e-commerce website or WordPress website is up using WordPress or WooCommerce, we always need to maintain the database and the rest of the things so that we may get the optimum result from our website. I mean, in terms of speed, in terms of security and everything. Let us take this example website that we created in the earlier video. And in this video, we are going to discuss how we can maintain the WordPress database properly by cleaning regularly the unwanted things, the optimizing the database regularly so that we may always get secure and successful website. So I am going to show you a professional solution. I'm going to show you a pro plugin, and this is a very popular plugin for database cleaning objectives, and its name is itself Database Cleaner Pro, and it has been developed by the Meow apps. You can see the pricing, but yes, it has all the functionality that you need for your database maintenance. It is a perfect tool for maintaining WordPress database undoubtedly. So you have both the options. You can either use the free version, which you'll get the database delete useless database or delete useless data option, delete useless tables, and handle useless option, handle useless post. But if we are going to use a pro version, it is something like much advanced that we actually need for a professional website. So I'm directly showing you the pro version. Definitely you can check with the free one and you can start with free version. But yes, once you get confidence on this process, the database cleaning process with the Meow apps Database Cleaner Pro, you can go with the pro version. And also I'm going to show you an alternative plugin for cleaning the database in this video itself, so don't skip any part of this video. So I was showing this example website. This can be a demo website for our testing purpose, and I'm going to install this Database Cleaner Pro plugin here on the backend. So here is the backend of this wonderful website. This is for medical services website. And I must show you the number of plugins first of all. So of course the core WordPress has been installed, and there are many things like additional plugins, theme has been installed. So if we talk about the number of plugins on this installation, I mean on this website, it is really very important because every plugin creates new database tables, and we are talking about database optimization in this video. So 11 plugins are active. You can see all important plugins are here, WooCommerce, including WooCommerce. So I am going to show you the database tables first to get more clarity on the database structure of this WordPress website. However, it varies from installation to installation. Number of tables will vary to your installation because you are using different theme, and of course you are using different plugins set as well. But yes, just for reference purpose, I'm going to open the database of this installation. So I'll go to the Softaculous where so I am sure you know how to recognize the database. So but yes, I'll show you again. I'm just assuming considering all the novice users of this channel as well. So first of all, we can go to the WordPress manager by Optimising just to recognize the database. So this is instance 21 that we are showing here, instance 21. So I mean instance means the domain name for you. So I'll open the Optimising here, and to check the database details here, view database option is here. So here it is, and we can go directly to the database. So there are multiple database here. So for instance, this is the database, and it has got 68 tables. So it is really very important to optimize such database, having number of tables, great number of tables. And I have already shown you how you can change the database type, like it is InnoDB, and you can check a specific video like my SQL or what has been given. So everything is here on this channel. I am sure you are already a subscriber and watching the video continuously coming on this channel. So let us summarize. We have 868 tables here, and I am going to add this Pro plugin, and that is the Database Cleaner Pro here on this installation to review its feature and how we can use this plugin. So let us jump directly. So I am going to add a new plugin here, and I have this plugin file, Database Cleaner Pro. So I'm going to browse this plugin. So upload plugin, and here we need to choose the installable plugin. So you can buy the plugin, of course, through the video description link, and this is available at Meow Apps itself. So it is here. So you can purchase at official website of Meow Apps if you are targeting to have the Pro one. However, you have option to use the free one, but I am showing you the Pro one. It is important. So I am choosing the file, and now we can click on install now, and the plugin will get installed as well. So we can activate the plugin, and here is the Meow Apps Database Cleaner. So we can jump to the dashboard. Okay, so this is Pro plugin, and you can test with the free as well. But yes, we have everything enabled on the Pro one. So I'm willing to show you the maximum utilization of this plugin. AI engine is also included in the Pro version, so you can enable the AI engine to avoid cluttering of UI on your WP. You only enable the features you need. So you can enable the chatbots and all such things. So there are multiple things like, and this is the chatbot, and add-ons are here. So notification and web search and all, and setting is also here. And so it is about the AI engine. So coming back to the database cleaner feature. So this is the database cleaner feature, and once we start with the dashboard, we have this. So here is the Meow Apps, list of Meow Apps, which we have nothing to do with this because we are using the database cleaner here. We can click on the performance. First of all, the empty request time measures your installation basic performance by showing the average time needed to process an empty request on your server. So, and this is basically a testing tool that you can run just for understanding the SQL request time and calculates the total number of posts, and this process should quick and have similar duration and empty request. So what we can do, first of all, we can run the empty request time, and it is showing 500. So it is calculating, in fact. So I am reading again. The empty request time measures your installation's basic performance by showing the average time needed to process any empty request on your server. To see how disabling plugins affect the result, turn off and run the test again, and aim for time under 2000 milliseconds. So let us see how it is showing, what number it is showing after test, but ideally keep it below 500 milliseconds. So it is, as of now, it is showing 523 and it is on green mark. The file operation time creates a temporary 10 MB file each time it runs. The SQL request time calculates the total number of posts. This process should be quick and have a similar duration to the empty request time. So file operation time is here. I mentioned the file operation time creates a temporary file, and the SQL request time. So we have to analyze all these three things before we are proceeding to optimize our WordPress database. And it is going to take time, of course, but yes, I'm going to run this test as well so that we may get all the idea. So all coming good as of now, around 500 milliseconds. and I'm going to run the XQL request time as well. So it is a bit higher, but yes, it is on the green mark. So the maintain a streamlined WordPress setup by using the essential plugins and a dependable hosting provider. Refrain from self-hosting unless you are an expert. Go further. Okay, that is fine. So if we are talking about the hosting, you can always get a wonderful hosting plan at WP Themes website. I'm going to add the link of hosting services that you can avail. So all big hosting providers that you can find at WP Themes website. So referral links are there. You can get the hostings at a very reasonable price, and definitely at discounted prices are there. So now it is all running smooth. And if we are going to PHP info that we are using, so it is all shown here. PHP error logs, just in case if it is any error, it will show you up here. And further we have settings, so main menu and SSL verify. So it was about the basic things. So I was just showing what is available inside the plugin for before we go for optimization. And now coming to the main point, that is database cleaning activity. Now once we open this screen, we have two options. Either we can have the auto clean option. This is an easy mode, and we can check all the tables. Here are the tables. So like Rider, it is not assigned pin due to JPE, reassigned plugins and all these things. So we have 68 results as we seen in the table here. So 68 results and all tables can be seen here directly. And what we can do, we can either remove undesired or the tables which is not required. But I am going to show you next screen as well, setting and logs. So these are some settings like time threshold, and auto clean will be applied on the time. So you can definitely have the auto clean option because we have this auto clean button here, and you can set the time for auto cleaning purposes. Message you can hide, dev tools you can enable or disable, batch size or delay in milliseconds. So these are some basic settings that you can go for. So the tables are here and the size is 19.7 MB, and the auto clean option, once we click on the auto clean, so it will start cleaning the database in the manner that is actually required without having any expertise in database operations. So if you are not a technical guy and you are maintaining your site at your own, you can use this auto clean option. But since we are having the pro version of this database cleaner, so we can check the expert mode. So this is going to be expert mode. So tables we have here again, and WordPress core tables can be seen here. And just in case if we need to clean a specific table, it is here, and however it is set to auto. You can have the manual and neighbor cleaning mode like post and the users and all these things. Like if you are getting trouble in user data, so you can clean up the user metadata and the duplicated metadata so that the user table can be optimized. Similarly, we have the post type options, and if you are feeling that there are post type that you don't recognize, and since it is for experts, so you have to understand all the tables, which plugins and what core tables are performing well and which is not required, so at your installation. So this is the pro part. So expert part, we are exploring the expert part. But yes, you can clean the database like randomly. If we are clicking on this, it is going to optimize the table and it can clean the table. So are you sure? Yes, it can sure. So just in case if you are willing to clean, so I'm just showing you the okay pop-ups. Like let us see this, and no, it is having, so this can be cleaned. So we can click yes. So it is going to be 0. So it is totally up to you. But yes, there is a very important request. So just take the complete backup of your database before doing any such operation, because it can bring a critical error to your website if you are not sure which table is to be actually cleaned up. However, you can use the easy mode, as I said. Further, you can check the tables, the options, what has been assigned, and everything is here about the database. You can find the dig down the database in every manner here with these tools. And if you are willing to check the metadata, here it is, and the cron jobs can be seen, the custom queries and the staging and logs. And there is one important thing, the force table. So if any table is not being used here, it can be simply cleaned up, or it can be removed directly. So it can be removed or unassigned. So it is very simple to handle the database from this plugin, and I'm sure you will be able to handle your database wisely, because it is a very, very advanced thing for your WordPress website. And if you are not sure, go with the free one and use the easy mode. So that will really help you in maintaining your database. But yes, for professional features, you need the pro one. Okay, so we just seen the Database Cleaner Pro and what screens are available, what are the options available with this plugin. Now, as I said in the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you alternative to this plugin that is going to be free. So even the Database Cleaner is available free, but I'm going to show you an alternative from WordPress repository itself. So let us first deactivate and remove this plugin. I'm going to show you another plugin. So I'm going to install plugin, and I will deactivate this Meow apps. Okay, where it is, so the 2020 before and after. This is a very wonderful tool for image. Okay, so now I'm going to deactivate this and maintain it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you another option for database cleaning operations, and that plugin is coming from the WordPress repository itself. And here it is named as Clean and Optimize Your Database. So Advanced Database Cleaner by Jonas JFR. And it is regularly being updated, and it has also got 1 lakh plus installation. So definitely it is worth checking this plugin, because it is widely being used. So we can directly install this plugin from the WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to search this plugin here on the add a new plugin screen. And yes, so Advanced Database Cleaner, it is here, and we can simply install this, and let us see which features can help our installation to keep our database clean and active always. So we can activate this simply, and we can go to the where is it? So it is here. Okay, so general cleanup options is here, so we can have and the revisions, so we can check the revisions, and simply we can select all the cleanup activity like apply, please select option, so clean and apply, continue, so it will clean this marked one, and auto draft. So again, you have to take the complete database backup. So the main thing is that you have to remove the orphaned post meta or orphaned things from your database. So don't keep any orphaned thing. However, you can clean the orphaned things using this option, and it is showing what are the orphaned and not being used exactly. But yes, we can have all the checks, and this is a very wonderful thing that it had been counted here, and we can check it further, and we can simply apply the actions like if we are willing to clean the orphaned things, we can simply do it in a simple click. So it is cleaned, and so like expired trusted, we can easily clean from here. Further, we have table options. If we are optimizing the database, we have the table cleaning options, and the rows can be counted in the table, total table, as we selected as we counted in the beginning, so it is 68 items. And again, we have bulk options and bulk repair option, optimize option. So it is very good. So if you are not sure what you have to do with the database tables, you can simply select all and optimize, and it can simply optimize your database tables without making any trouble. So it is very good idea to optimize your table using this option, and it is surprisingly this plugin is available for free. Further, we have options like we have cron option, and what we want to do with the option, like this is cron, and we can set auto load yes, set auto load no, and even we can delete the options on that has been shown here. And the cron jobs can be seen what is going behind the screen, so you can check all the cron jobs, and even you can stop or delete the cron jobs what is ongoing on your website. Further, we have overview and setting options here, and it is showing the WordPress version, database size, and all basic things, and we can customize the things like show plugin, left menu, plugin, the basic settings. And of course, this plugin also have a premium one. So just in case if you like the plugin feature and you are willing to have the advanced feature, you can have this premium one, and you can simply order from this screen itself. So the you can have more features like filter and search specific items, as we seen in the Database Cleaner Pro. Detect what kind of options it is already working, and so you can explore the premium version as well. But in my opinion, you can go with the free one first for both of the plugins that you want, and if you really want the pro one, you can go with the pro. So the database cleaning activity is always recommended. And I must tell you one thing, if you are using the Cache plugin like WP Rocket or Lightspeed, those plugins also, Cache plugins also offer the database cleaning tool. Not in so brief, but yes, you can clean up the basic things like the orphan things and all. So you not necessarily use this database cleaning tool until you are sure you need to clean up your database and your database is really heavy. So like this is the database having only 19 MB in size, so it is moderate size. If somehow it shows around like 100 plus MB in size, and you are having very less actual data on your website, so in that case you need to clean up your database. So it is very good tool, and depending upon your requirements, you can go with the free or the premium version. So we just export how we can use the database cleaner options using the Meow plugin and this advanced database cleaner. So I believe you like this video, and it is going to be helpful in cleaning up your database. And in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye, keep building, keep watching. Thank you.